little bit about the chainmail.
Really long time.
How long is a really long time?
Like 2 months.
2 months, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Nikki.
Cosplaying Rin Setsu from Thunderbolt Fantasy. Come on up.
Art Nouveau Belle from Beauty and the Beast.
Okay, how do you pronounce this one, Bernie?
Scorpion Cosplay?
Oh, it's all one word. Scorpion Cosplay. Cosplaying as, when you know, Scorpion from Mortal Kombat.
Get over here! I couldn't resist, I'm sorry. Finish him! Aminette from The Mummy! That walk, though.
I'm shook. We have Ashley does cosplay as Lady Thor from Thor.
She's about to drop the hammer on this crowd. Andy in real life as the Vulture from Spider-Man.
Next up we have Adamancy cosplaying as Aloy from Horizon Zero Dawn.
That's bringing tabletop to life right there. Slay, Queen, slay. Next we have Kyle J Cosplay as Robin.
It's your boy Wanda.
I see what you did there.
We have Heidi Cat cosplaying as Princess Bubblegum from Adventure Time. Oh, I love this. This is beautiful.
It's about to get a little strange in here. La Femme Nagita as Doctor Strange. I feel like she's got runway experience.
Chaotic Good Life cosplaying as Aloy from Horizon Zero Dawn.
Where the Horizon Zero Dawn fans at? Give it up for her. We have Sammy Cosplay as Imp Mercy. Mercy, mercy, mercy.
Bernie, did you know that heroes never die? Monkey Monsters cosplay.
Yep, they are different Pines, Mabel Pines, and Steve the Gnome from Gravity Falls.
Oh no, this is so cute!
Strange and Dr. Stephen Strange. Phoenix and Anya Stroud from Gears of War. I believe we have a question. Will you be with me till the end? I love you. Will you marry me?
Cosplaying as Lily Munster from The Munsters.
Air Bubbles cosplay as Una the Sky Hunter.
From Heroes of the Storm. Dang.
Big Designs as Doctor Strange. So did everybody get the Doctor Strange memo? Is that?
Very popular this year.
Yeah.
Next up, we have a cosplay from Sheet Galore, cosplaying as gender bent arcade Karam. That's the best guess I have from League of Legends.
God, that is amazing, and it's so. Next, we have Mean Little Kitty as Veteran Nix from Mass Effect. I too listen to the A-Team theme when I'm playing Mass Effect.
Do you?
Yes. Look at those hooves.
I just don't understand how one can stand in that. Can you look at the feet?
There's a reason you see me in sneakers.
Dear to my heart, we have Hailstorm, cosplaying as Rita Repulsa from the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers.
Go, go, Power Rangers! They let that costume into a kid's show. Can you believe that?
Magic wand! Make my monster grow!
Next up, we have Terratone as Rayala from Nights into Dreams. Somewhere a Harley Quinn has envy of that headpiece.
Next up, we have Epsilon, cosplaying as Dark Wraith from Dark Souls. Oh my god. I can hear the armor from a mile away.
Now, this cosplayer is heavy metal. And he's a Transformer. Look at that. Chris J cosplay as Captain Cole. She elite, yo.
She Elite, cosplaying as Snow White from Disney's Snow White.
Somebody got a bedazzler for Christmas and has been working on that all year. It's Shawshank cosplay as Black Manta.
Next up, we have Amanda Anime 99, cosplaying
from Skyrim Elder Scrolls, as well as Death Lord Draugr.
Anachronism in action, the Beast, Tara, and Joe cosplaying from The Fall.
Let's give it up for him. We've got the Indian, the Bride, Nurse Evelyn, the Mystic, Darwin, and the Bandit. That is so beautiful. Days that you guys might be excited. Who's ready for Ragnarok? Please welcome Dancing Raptor Cosplay as Thor and the Grandmaster. I see you're still wearing Mother's drapes. I'm pretty sure you didn't win that fight, by the way. I'm just going to throw that out there.
Next up, we have cosplayers cosplaying from Alice in Wonderland. We have Steampunk Anya, Brian, and Rachel. We have the Steampunk Queen of Hearts, Steampunk Mad Hatter, and Steampunk